Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. So today we're going to take a look at this new offering from UGREEN. This is a little small robot-like, or should I say robot-looking charger. You get two USB-Cs, one USB-A. This has the GNAD, I think that's how it's pronounced, GAN, fast charging built into this. So let's open the box up and see exactly what we get in the box. All right, guys, so the first thing we're greeted with is our little robot guy here, and you can see it has a little face. Now, there's a little screen on here that you do need to remove, so let's just go ahead and peel that off real quick. All right, guys, so we've removed the little screen, but before we get to our little robot here, let's take a look at what else comes in the box. So you're going to get a user instruction manual and, of course, your fast charging little quick card here to give you a little bit of information about the charger itself, the output of each one of the ports, all of that kind of cool jazz, which is, very important to know. All right, so here's our little robot. Let's see if we can just pop him out. All right, he just pops out like so. And let's take a closer look at this little guy. So again, this looks like a little, 70s robot. I like that. Looks like he's wearing some headphones. On the back here, it says 65 watts. Now, you're probably wondering how would you plug this into power? Well, his little feet here, his little booties, they just pop off like so. And there is your plug. So that's going to allow you to plug this into pretty much whatever you want to. When you're not using it, you can just put the little feet back on. So for now, we're just going to plug this into some power. Like so. And you guys probably can see his little face just lit up right there, which is so cool. Now, when it charges, you will see different faces that'll show up. Well, basically, I think there's 2 or 3. When it's completely charged, there's no face, just the eyes. You'll see just the eyes here. So let's just go ahead and plug something in here and get started just to see what we can get. All right, so I'm just going to take a standard USB-A to USB-C plug and plug in here. But before we do that, let me show you guys the top of this, just so everybody's on board. So we have 2 USB-Cs and 1 USB-A. It does show that these 2 here are preferable for like laptops and phones, and then whatever else you would normally use a standard USB-A for. All right, so let's plug this guy back into power right here. And let's take our cable. So again, it's just a standard USB-A to USB-C cable. We're going to plug that in. Now I'm going to take this older smartphone here. This is a Note 20 or Note 10 Plus. And we're just going to plug this in and see how fast it takes for this to recognize this phone and start charging it almost instantly. And you guys can see this phone is completely dead. And we're going to grab something else to charge at the same time. Now, one of the things that I most of the time charge is going to be something like one of these battery banks, because I use these a lot as a photographer to be able to power my different cameras. So we're going to see if it can also power these batteries as well. And then we're going to plug this also into this power bank, as you guys can see right here. And it's also charging these batteries and this phone at the same time. So 65 watts seems to be doing a great job. All right, so let's max it out. Let's see if we can plug something else into this guy and see what kind of results we get. All right, so we're going to plug in one more USB-C cable. That's what it's compatible with. And then we'll plug in an additional device. Now, this is a power bank for one of my wireless microphones. So we're going to plug this in as well and see if this will be able to charge all 3 of these different devices. And as you guys can see, we have lights on this one. It is charging all 3 of these devices at the same time. So I can say, guys, from what I'm seeing here, this guy is able to do an amazing job. So if you're looking for up to 65 watt charging brick, that's also going to be a little, creative on your desk. This could be exactly what you're looking for. I like having this guy here. And then, the cool aesthetic of it is you could just take it off when you're done with it, put it back in its little booties, and just have it as a cool little figurine in your desk space or office or whatever the case it may be. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this cute little guy here from UGREEN. I think this is going to be an excellent addition to Rome Studio here. So yeah, hopefully the video has been helpful, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.